So here we're going to subtract 728 minus 453. I'm going to take 453 away from 728 using a method I'm calling ones out, ones in. And so the idea of ones out, ones in is that I'm going to take everything except for the last digit out of the part that I'm subtracting from. So I'm going to take this 728 and I'm going to drop the 28 for now. We'll come back to it later. And then I'm just going to subtract the 453 in this case from that 700, and if you feel more comfortable doing so, you can take it away in parts. So 700 minus 400 will give me 300, and then I can take the 50 away next, and then 300 minus 50 is 250, and then I can take the 3 away last, and I'm left with 247. If I wanted to, if I was feeling a little more confident, I could take the 453 away all at once from the 700. If you do this with some regularity, or if you make change on a regular basis, you're probably pretty comfortable finding what's called the complement of 53 and 100. And so 53 and 47 makes 100. And so when I take the 700 minus 453, I know I'm going to end up with 47 here. And then I've taken care of one of the hundreds up top, so now I have 600 minus 400 leaves me with 247. Either way, the next thing I need to do is add the 28 back in. I took the 28 out at the beginning, and I have to put it back in at the end. So 7 and 8 is 15. 1 and 4 and 2 gives me 7. And then I have 2. So 275 is my difference. So we'll try another example. In this case, we're going to look at 814 minus 376. So I'm going to start by pulling the 14 out, and I have 800. And now I'm looking to subtract 376 from that 800. Well, again, one way to look at this is, 76 out of 100 leaves me with 24. So now I've taken care of one of these hundreds, so 700 minus 300 leaves me with 424. And now I need to add back in the 14 that I took out in the beginning, and I'm left with 438. So 814 minus 376 leaves me with 438. So go ahead and pause the video at this point and try this example, 921 minus 679. Try that on your own, and then come back and I'll do it. Alright, well, I'm assuming you've done it now. So here we've got 921 minus 679. So again, we're going to pull the 21 out, and we're going to be left with 900 minus 679. So when I take the 100 minus 79, that leaves me with 21. And I have 800 minus 600 leaves me with 2. So I have 221. Add back in the 21 that I took out to start with. I'm left with 242. So 921 minus 679 is equal to 242. Now I'll give you one more. Now go ahead and do this one. You've got 402 minus 384. Okay, so that you've done it yourself. So here I'm only pulling out a 2, and I have 400 minus 384. 100 minus 84 is going to leave me with 16, and then 300 minus 300 is nothing. And then I add back in the 2 I started by taking out, so I get 16 plus 2 is 18. And so my difference here is just 18. And that's it.